Daniel Mandel. Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much. This is really like an ideal kind of situation for me to be able to talk about the inspirations and share some songs and then have a little kind of back and forth as well. It feels very cozy. And so a little bit more about me. I have a podcast that's called Creative Engagement, where I interview artists from around the world and talk about these kinds of things and get kind of under the hood about what is creativity and what does it mean to us and for us and through us. Like what does it mean to our lives? And also the cost of those times when we don't allow creativity or we don't have the circumstances to participate. So all of those things are so important to be talking about. So there's a podcast. I just started a brand new YouTube channel where I'm trying some video storytelling for the first time. So that's fascinating to explore. Some mini kind of documentary style things. And then also there's my music, which is on Bandcamp and Apple Music and Spotify. And one way to remember my name and remember all these things is my first name, Daniel, in Hebrew means God is my judge. And my last name, Mandel, is almond in German. So if you put them together, you got, ask God I'm a nut. It's a joke.
Our little almond.
Yes. In the Billies, we have Billy names, sort of tribe names that we...
Aquanetta.
Well, someone suggested I should be Almond Joy.
Oh, that's good.
So I'll play another song and we'll talk about some more stuff. I think I won't introduce this one. I'll just let you experience it. But I'll tell you the title. It's called Angry, Lonely, Selfish.
I like it already.
I'm not allowed to be angry at the hand that life has dealt me. But which angry mob would hang me if I could share just how this feels? I'm not allowed to be lonely, but I don't have no one to hold me. I don't want someone to own me. Sometimes I like to be alone. But the truth is that no one can promise they will complete me completely. You know, love is a skill and there's no guarantee that you would be my friend and my lover, my gardener, my doctor, and still leave me fulfilled. I'm not allowed to be selfish, but if I had my wish, I would have someone to live my life with. I think that I'd choose, let's see, somebody who was funny and crazy, who liked being lazy. Someone singing and playing who liked what I'm saying, who reads the same books with familiar looks, who enjoyed what I'm eating. I don't mind conceding that I live alone, and I would let you in. I'd show you around. But the truth is that no one can promise they will complete me completely. You know, love is a skill, and there's no guarantee that you would be my friend and my lover, my gardener, my doctor, my guru, my plumber, my lawyer, my teacher, and still leave me fulfilled. That was Angry, Lonely, Selfish.